There it is. An airboat taking off. And that's because today, there it goes. Oh boy. We're doing that today. We are here at Boggy Creek Airboat attractions, and we are going on an airboat today, a 1-hour tour through the headwaters of the Everglades to go find some gators and other Florida wildlife. I've never done an airboat ride here in Florida. I've only done them in New Orleans. Very excited here with Lauren and her parents today. And it also has an Indian village inside, a gem mine. There's archery in the back. There is a whole barbecue place called the Boggy Bottom. There's a lot to see. We're gonna go check it out. This is Adventures by Carney. Sit right there. Let's go. Boggy Bottom. We got the native village. Got a little gift shop area. Get some gators, some gator teeth, some hatchums. Of course, you got your t-shirts. Boggy Creek. One of these guys. A cute little gift shop. Here's a restaurant space right through these doors. Hang out, nice little screened in area. They got some TVs on the wall. Not bad. And views of the entire park. Got some fun picture opportunities here. Gotta make sure I tag them later. And here we are. They got some baby gators back there. The Indian village is all the way in the back. Here's the gem mine. Some photo opportunities and archery. They got a tiki bar and where you buy your gems. Got a nice screened-in porch. And the airboat, the fanboat launch is right over there. We had a great day. It's gonna be a hot one. On loan from Gatorland. Did you know the difference between a crocodile and an alligator? The V and the U. Do alligators go through 3,000 teeth in their lifetime? Yeah, they do. Once they get worn down, let's grow new ones. Wow. 35 to 50 eggs. Wow. Welcome to the Jororo village, the forgotten tribe. This authentic village was created to demonstrate how a Jororo Native American family would have lived and survived in the Florida swamps 500 years ago. Everything from the cooking hut to the sleeping hut, working hut, communal hut, canoe, building. Wow, they're artifacts that are 450 to 12,000 years ago. Wow. Let's go take a look. I'm guessing that's the communal hut. I'm guessing this is the sleeping hut. And here's some artifacts. They have archery? I totally want to do archery. All right, I gotta figure out how to do this. Boggy Creek Airboat Adventures. Oh, you know we gotta hit the tiki bar. In a mine, in a mine. We find the gems. Here's their 70-foot gem mine. You could buy a bag of dirt and see what you find. As the water passes through, you can sift through it. And look at all these things you can find. Rubies and sapphires, opal and onyx, emeralds, calcite. The woman said you could even find teeth. Your little fire pit, picnic table. It's beautiful out here. But don't feed the gators. Can't wait to get on this fan boat. Nice little screened in patio while you're waiting. They got the fans for a nice little breeze. And then in comes what might be our ride. We're up next. This fan boat's cruising. Here we are, airboat rides. We got Captain Tank right here. We're heading out to Lake Tohopekaliga. Lake Tohopekaliga. Which of course means, I'm sure you guys know, we will gather together here. We're located in the headwaters of the Florida Everglades. Wow, lake's over 22,700 acres, 42 miles, deepest 13 feet. I thought it would be deeper. And this is what we're going on in just a few minutes. An airboat just like that. Yes.
Okay, great.
Here we go.
You might come to a stop. We're idling around. You can stand up, move around for better views and pictures, okay?
Let's do it.
All right, you guys have any questions?
Let's rock and roll.
All right, let's go.
babies.
They love them out here. I mean, you can see the two adults, the two parents right there. Even full grown, they're not huge birds.
Tiny.
Wow. Yeah, these ones they live probably around maybe a week. They don't even have their feathers in. They're still little fuzz balls.
Right there.
They got the red
A big boy right there, chilling.
Yeah, yellow belly slider too, right in front of us. Turtle.
Oh, the turtle, yeah.
Pretty good sized one.
Right there.
About to go pet him?
No.
We'll get some great pictures.
How about
So we got the shell right here in the wild, but we got one right here. Look at that. See you later, alligator. Gators chilling right there.
Yeah, just relaxing. Tough life out here for these gators.
There he is. This bird is just messing with him.
So will the gators mostly fish and small birds?
Yeah, primarily fish. It's easy for them to catch. They're very lazy. But they'll also eat birds, turtles, snakes, small mammals, ex-wives, mother-in-laws.
Another gator right there. have it. Our 1 hour fan boat ride has concluded. Lots of fun. It was a really good time. I'll give you more thoughts up top. But fun nonetheless. So final thoughts on the Boggy Creek fanboat experience. I really liked it. It's very peaceful. It's serene. You get to see a lot of nature, some rare birds, some turtles. And of course, we saw a bunch of gators just chilling in their natural habitat. It's really cool. It's definitely a change of pace from the theme parks and all the other attractions that are here in Orlando. This is great for if you're by yourself, a date night, the whole family can go. It is not scary. Definitely a change of pace. I went on a fan boat in New Orleans where we had gators jumping in the boat. We were trying to grab the tail. This is none of that. This is completely safe, very relaxing. And you could usually, I think there's usually some Groupons and stuff like that. Check it out. But yeah, Boggy Creek, thanks. We had a great time. Do me a huge favor if you haven't done so yet. Please like, subscribe, comment, help me out. All right, that's it. I love you guys. Be kind to one another. See you out there.